Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. In this video, we are going to be using the new Makartt, the seasonal Concertos, someone said. Y'all know I can't say that. The seasonal Concertos kit. I did already do swatches on this kit, you guys. Here it is. All these beautiful colors, and my last video you guys saw I used the brown color. Well, in this video we're actually going to be using 5 other colors. Now this kit is on Makartt website for $71.99, and you can also use my 15% off discount code to get 15% off. Also guys, I do want to update you about an email that I got from Makartt today. It says, oh my god, free worldwide shipping on orders over $70 to 45 countries. US, Australia, Japan, Malaysia, Philippines, Russia, Singapore, South Korea, Thailand, UAE, Europe, UK, Argentina, Chile, Venezuela, New Zealand, Canada, and Mexico. Let me show you the colors we're going to be using. We're going to use this beautiful pink. We're going to be using both of these yellows. We're going to use this orange and like this coral orangey color as well. I am going to use everything that come in the kit, the top and the base. If you want to see swatches, go check out the first video, the very first video where I unboxed this kit. Because today we are going to be doing SpongeBob nails. I thought that would be fun. I don't want to jump right into Christmas nails just yet, so I figured let's do something fun for the kids. For any of you who grew up watching SpongeBob, or any of your kids grew up watching SpongeBob, we're also going to be using some pink and yellow glitter mylar that I got from my friend Pam. But I am also using my Erykah XXL coffin nails. I do want to say I am using my Glamour Liz hand. She is back and she is selling these hands again. If you guys are interested, I do have 10% off of orders over $100. My link, my description, my coupon code for the Glamour Liz hand is down in my description box always, where all of my other codes are. So if you guys are interested, you can go check that out and check out her website. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on with the video. So I'm using my Erykah primer, I'm using my Erykah dehydrator, going in with 1 coat of that, and then I'm going to go in with my Erykah primer, and I'm going to prime the tips 1 time. Now, if it was my natural nails, I'd prime twice. Now I'm going to prime the Erykah XXL coffin, and these are the regular coffin, these are not the extreme. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with my Makartt base coat that came with the seasonal Concertos kit, and we're going to apply that. And after your base is applied, you're going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds in your LED UV light. Alright, so I'm going in with the base coat to add my glitters, and as I showed you, I was using the pink and yellow glitter just to kind of give it like a SpongeBob feel. So with the accent finger, we're going in with all yellow, and then I kind of mix it up and I do yellow and pink, taking my new fleshy light here and freeze curing the glitter in place. That way it doesn't move around when I add the poly gel. Alright, so I'm going to continue adding the glitter to the tips, and I'll be right back. Now guys, you can add almost anything to the underside of these tips. Anything, literally. So after I apply the glitter and freeze cure that, now it's time to go in with all 6 colors of the polygel. Here is my dampen dish by Medusa's Gear on Instagram if you guys would like to order one. This one is my pink one. I do have a holographic one as well. Alright, so right here I tried something a little different. I wanted to go in at the cuticle first because I was trying to do like an ombre, and you want to put the lighter color on the underside and then the darker color over it so it kind of blends, and it worked really well. So I put the lighter color yellow at the cuticle and then the darker yellow at the top, and I put the dark, when I was smoothing out the darker color, I went over the top of the lighter color with the dark color, if that makes sense. And then when I flipped it over, it looked really good. And yes, I do flash cure from about the center to the free edge. That way when I flip it, I can hold on to something and the polygel's not getting all over my fingers. Do you see? See how I ombre'd? It really did a good job. So I might do like a whole set just doing the ombre to show you guys that one more time, because it's so easy. As long as you go in with the lighter color first at the cuticle area, or vice versa, it should work. Alright, so here I go in with a few of the colors, and then I just blend them out just to kind of make like a exotic kind of, I don't know, exotic like ombre-ish nail. I don't know. I was just being like tie-dye friendly. I was having fun. You know how it is. Now you always want to make sure to go thinner when you're applying it at the cuticle area, because you don't want a bunch gushing out when you apply it. If you do have any gush out, just get your brush and wipe that off before you cure, just like I did there. And then voila. You also want to make sure the center of the tip is very smooth and it still has that nice C curve to it. Now at the very tip to about the center, it doesn't really have to have the C curve, but it does look nice and professional if it does. So it's your choice. But from here on out, I'm just going to go ahead and add the polygel, curing in between from the tip to the center, and then finishing up with the cuticle area and applying it to the nails. So I will see you guys when that is finished. Quick tip, you guys might want to go in with a size larger, because sometimes if you go in with the size that fits, it's not gonna fit after you apply the polygel. Just keep that in mind. Now, I have not had too many problems, but this time I actually did. The middle finger was too small after I had added the polygel. I did make it work for the video, but just to let you guys know, you may want to go up a size. You're just going to have to test out the waters and see what works for you on your hand and on your nails. Alright, so going in with the last one, and then I do file, shape, and buff off camera. But don't forget to always do a full 60-second cure after you are finished applying the nails. Always, always, always. Alright, so now I decided, let's make a 3D SpongeBob. Guys, don't laugh. Don't laugh. You'll see. So I'm using the Makartt. At first I did a little one and it was just too small. So I went in with the yellow Makartt polygel and I made a bigger one. Now this one turned out really good, but the mouth could have been better because the teeth weren't where they were supposed to be. And yeah, I mean, I still think it looked really cute, but you guys decide. You let me know down below. I want you guys to comment a sponge for SpongeBob. So comment a sponge. Actually, you know what? You can comment a sponge or a yellow heart. How about that? And I want you also to let me know if you guys watched SpongeBob with your kids when they were little. I know I did. Now my kids are in their 20s. So that was a very long time ago. Anyway, guys, after I made the SpongeBob, I did go ahead and cure that. Now I'm adding top coat to apply these eyeballs that I got from my friend Cassandra. Thank you, Cassandra. You know I love these eyes. I use them, guys, I use these eyeballs in my rainbow Makartt polygel kit. Oh my gosh. That was like one of my favorite kits. I loved that. If you guys haven't saw that, go check that video out. I freaking loved that set of nails. So I do flash cure the eyes in place. Now remember, I just used the top coat, but you can go in with like a thick gel. Alright, so now I'm going in with Madame Glam's Scarecrow, and this was in the Wizard of Oz collection. I did do a swatch video on that if y'all are interested. I'm also going in with Madame Glam's Perfect White and Perfect Black. I'm just making his belt. And then I'm going to make his nose. You guys know SpongeBob has a big old honker. So I'm making his nose with the polygel. And then I, of course, cure that. And then apply the nose with Makartt's rhinestone glue gel. I love this stuff, guys. I love it. So there's his honker. And I thought it fit it perfect. Like, it looked just like the pictures. Alright, now Madame Glam's Perfect Black to do the outline of the mouth. But again, right here I messed up. And it is what it is. I should have filled his mouth in. I should have went again over the top and then filled it in with black and then put the teeth on. But nope, I did not. I was like, I was even looking at it like, this doesn't look right, you know? But whatever. So then I go in with the teeth and they're, you know, wonky. It looks alright. It looks alright. Alright, so we're going in with the Velvet Matte Top Coat, again by Couture, and we're going to matte SpongeBob out. I think he looked a lot better matted out. You know what, I was even thinking about doing that soapy bubble method to put the bubbles on him, but then I was like, nah. So I'm just cutting off any excess gel. And then we'll apply that after we apply the stickers. Now, I did get the stickers off of AliExpress. And when I go back to look for these stickers, I could not find them. So, if you guys want to go on AliExpress and look for them stickers, you're more than welcome to, because they are not where I found them. Alright, so on the accent finger, I take Makartt's glue, or glue gel, and apply the 3D SpongeBob up by the cuticle area. And freeze cure that in place. And then from here on out, I just continue adding the stickers, 2 on each nail. That way I have a little bit of room for a diamond gem at the top. And then I go in with these pink and yellow stones that I got from AliExpress as well. And I will leave a link for those. I'm pretty sure I can find those again. Alright, so after I add the gems, I do go in with my Makartt No White Top Coat. And guys, if you want to get this kit, you need to go do it now because they are selling out. I haven't even done a full video on the other new kit, the Florist kit that I showed you in my unboxing video. And it's almost sold out. So if you want to get it, guys, you've got to go over there now and get it before it runs out of stock. There are 2 new kits coming out, guys. 2 new polygel kits coming out by Makartt that I cannot wait to show you guys. So I'm doing full 60-second cure now, and voila, I am finished. So now all you're going to do is go ahead and go in with your cuticle oil. I want you guys to let me know what you think of these down below. Like I said, please comment a yellow sponge and a yellow heart. Let me know if your children watch or watched SpongeBob. I know I sat through very, very many episodes while my kids were growing up. Do you like SpongeBob? What do you think about the show? You know, just let me know, guys. Let me know down below. And if you like the seasonal Concertos polygel kit, head on over to Makartt website and grab it. Use my 15% off discount code. And that is it. That is the look.